Hi everyone, my name is Leah, and today I want to share my experience using Synadentix for a month, and I hope this helps you decide whether or not it's worth buying this product. First of all, if you're thinking about buying Synadentix, be very careful about the website you buy it from because there are a lot of scammers on the internet selling copies and counterfeits of the product. So to ensure you are buying the original product, only purchase from the official Synadentix website. To make it easier, I've left the link to the official website in the description of this video and also in the first pinned comment, so check it out after you finish watching, okay? So I decided to buy Synadentix because I already had a lot of oral problems that bothered me a lot. Problems such as tooth sensitivity, inflamed gums, and even bad breath on some days. I brushed my teeth properly, flossed, but it seemed that nothing completely solved the problem. That's when I found Synadentix on the internet and decided to give it a try. Basically, Synadentix is a natural formula for oral health, created to strengthen teeth, protect enamel, reduce gum inflammation, and balance the entire microbiome of the mouth. It combines ingredients such as microcrystalline hydroxyapatite, which helps remineralize teeth, guava powder rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, as well as enzymes that fight plaque and improve breath. All of this helps create a protective shield in the mouth and leaves teeth and gums much healthier. After about 2 weeks of consistent use of Synadentix, I already started to feel a huge difference. My sensitivity decreased significantly, my gums were less sore, and even my morning bad breath was greatly reduced. And after a whole month of using it correctly, my mouth was much healthier and more balanced, without any of the discomfort I mentioned earlier. And I was really surprised and satisfied with the results. Synadentix was one of the best investments I've made for my oral health. At first, I was very hesitant to buy it, but when I went to the official website and saw that many people had already used it and had real results, I decided to try it, and I'm glad I did because it really worked for me. What I liked most about Synadentix is that it is 100% natural and very simple to use. Just follow the instructions on the package and take it every day, usually letting 1 tablet melt under your tongue or chewing it slowly at night before bed. When used correctly, it balances the bacteria in your mouth, helps regenerate enamel, and improves gum health safely and without side effects. Synadentix is so powerful that it works regardless of your age because it acts directly on the microbiome in your mouth, which is essential for maintaining strong teeth and gums. But be careful with what people say on the internet, because there are people promising miraculous results in days, when in fact it all depends on using the product correctly and consistently. It works, but you need to take it every day to really see the difference. So that's it. I wanted to record this video to tell you a little about my experience with Synadentix, warn you about the counterfeits that are circulating, and reinforce that you should only buy it on the official website, which I left in the video description. Thank you very much for your attention and see you soon.